if somebody wanted to, is there any books that you'd recommend, or how do you take in your media? Do you watch YouTube videos, Audible? What's the kind of approach that you take in terms of digesting content?
Yeah, so look, I'm a business geek, and so I'm always looking for new stuff. I read a lot of books. Actually, I'm singularly disappointed by all the books on M&A, because most of them are written by advisors. So they just tell you to surround yourself by advisors, or it's somebody selling a course and they're just trying to pitch you the course. And I tried to steer away from that in my own book and actually just give people content that was, they could go out and apply. Because I think, there's too much kind of fluff out there. But yeah, certainly, obviously I'd recommend reading my own books in terms of understanding that area of things. But then just be a business geek. I mean, I read about business all the time. I even read statutes and legal, when new laws come into place, when the Enterprise Act or the Finance Act or any of these things come into place. You can read the stodgy statute itself, or most law firms publish papers around new legislation that make it a lot more digestible. So you can go onto some of the major law firm websites and read their analysis of those changes and case laws and things like that. And a lot of the strategies that we come up with actually is from reading those kind of things. So some of the personal guarantee stuff has come from case law that I've read about, and or other Harbour Clubbers have read about and recommended to us. Yeah, we're always kind of learning and always adapting.